This is a brand new 2013 Chevrolet Suburban. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, heated seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, the appearance package, a limited-slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a DVD player, a premium audio system, big 18-inch wheels, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, an unattended headlight warning chime, adjustable driver pedals, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.